So we're all set to go riding, and everyone's gearing up. I'm already geared up. Let's see this place. It says it's about 50 kilometers away from here. I've already done about 70 plus kilometers since morning. And yeah, today's going to be riding all the way day. It's going to keep riding, man. Gonna keep doing this, gonna keep doing this. I don't know, I have about, I think, space for about 1 hour 43 minutes. I don't know how much I'm going to capture, but I'm thinking of keeping this on all through. So let's see how this goes. So we're about 20 kilometers from Karjat, and I don't know this place, how far from there it is. We reached a place called Shedung, Shedung. I don't know what sort of Shedung that is. But I don't know, there's a different pronunciation for that. But I read it as Shedung. Lord forgive me. Yeah, we're speeding up now. Yeah. Where did I learn that from? Oh man. This is like a boiler suit right now, wearing your armor jacket, and then over that the rain jacket. I got my jersey on inside. Man, this is something. Yes, yeah, this place seems to be beautiful. That's what they say it is. Twin Waterfalls. All right. In a few hours, it'll be 24 hours since I slept. But that's all right. I'm really enjoying this. So what I wanted to do always. Thombrewadi. There's a place called Thombrewadi. Is that an MH48? No, is it a 46? I wonder where MH46 is from. There's a lot of vehicles over here that say, oh, he's local then, because all the vehicles out here say MH46. I think this area, Karjat, is MH46. I have to do Goa really soon, and I want to definitely record that ride. Like really record it nicely. Like every moment types. I have one of the best 360-degree cameras, the Insta X5. And yeah, if I don't use it to its max, what point is it? I've also got the DJI mics to paired with it. I'm not using the DJI mic with the receiver thing, because obviously then that does not, if you plug it into the camera, the camera doesn't stay waterproof. And I'm not sure that device is waterproof, so yeah. What I'm using is the Bluetooth feature of this mic. So by the time I reach the place, I'm gonna look like some laborer or something full of mud and muck. Like I've been digging the road or something. The roads are excellent, but beautiful roads, absolute beauty. Beautiful! Look up there. I have a 360-degree camera. I can look anywhere. I feel like a kid with a lollipop in my hands. It's exactly the feeling, isn't it? Wow, these roads are just so pretty. I was appreciating roads that day going down to I think Badlapur when I was, or was it Karjat? It was Karjat. But again, these roads are way, way better. These roads are way, way better. This route. This is from the JNPT side. This is, so, like I said, we went to Kalamboli in the morning, and from there we all left. Whoa, I have to speed up. The whole convoy is ahead now. I've been busy talking. We've taken a small little stop, I think, to collect people along the way. There's some lost sheep. Some lost sheep. There's this, I don't know who are these 4 people, but there are some 4 faces on the wall. I think this is the entrance to Karjat where we stopped. And yeah, let's see what's up next. Not really sure. Say hello, say howdy. Say hello, say howdy. Yeah, the mic is here so you can be heard. Yeah, man. Fuck, all muck. Look at you. And riding behind ADVs is even worse because at least this has got a little longer mudguard. Some of them don't have. See, look at his bike. The guy, your friend, before me. Fuck, straight on my face. But that's a savior, man. Sexy, right, bro? Yeah, he was like, we're not wondering which bike to use. My brother-in-law has the street triple. The street triple? Oh, okay. What cc is this? How much? Oh, 660. I'm not soaking with the rain, I'm soaking with sweat for sure. Beautiful roads, man. Beautiful roads. I've not come across a single rough patch till yet. Why don't we have roads like this in Mumbai, like proper in the city? If Karjat can, Panvel can. Navi Mumbai is beautiful. Of late, I've fallen in love with Navi Mumbai because I started riding to my rides, to my shows that side. And yeah. So in my last video, somebody asked me if you're the singer on wheels, why don't you sing while riding? And I was like, I have so much to talk about, like buck, that I don't really sing. But yeah, I'm still a singer. I'm still on wheels, so. Nandi Farm. I think I've seen this place somewhere. I think when I did that ride with Cassie, that time we had passed all the same areas. Obviously, we came to Karjat. Mm. Vaya Resort and Homes. Vaya. That is like how the typical Bandra girls say, Vaya, ye kitne ka hai? Vaya. Vaya, ye kaisa hua? Vaya. Vaya. And that resort was called Vaya. All right. Let's just sing a song anyway. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. Yeah, let me take it a turn. I think we're getting closer. I like turns sometimes because you take a turn, you're actually getting closer. I believe so. Oh, there's a big pile of. This is a stone quarry, I believe. No, is it? Or is it not? Artificial mountain? There's a beautiful triumph behind me. I forgot the name of the bike. It's not a very common bike, but you can hear it roar. Beautiful firing. The exhaust is wow, and I think it's an original exhaust. I'm not sure if he's. So my brother-in-law Lucky has a street triple. I think it's 765 cc if I'm not mistaken. Oh wow, there's a train running under this bridge. Looks nice, like between the mountains and everything, cut through. I think there's a little off-roading here. Not exactly, but yeah. I just spoke about good roads. But yeah, having an adventure bike, a tourer bike, and not doing any of this is definitely not fun. Kaddas. Yeah, it's fun. This is fun. I would like to call it that. Fun. Yeah, let's go, baby. I think we're approaching. I don't know how far, but we're approaching. Now I can see Kaddas again. Dodging as many as I can. And it's an up climb. Nice climb up here. Atra Farms, oh god. Was it supposed to be Satra and then they dropped the S? We don't really know. Wow. I'm loving this, man. Through the forest, as you can see. I know no animals will eat me. They'll get food poisoning if they do. Oh my gosh, look at that. I wish I could show you the beautiful reservoir. I don't know, is this Pavna? Where the hell are we? But yeah, look to your left, you'll see the beautiful mountains and everything. Guys, look at this. This is called LV Maggie Point. Morbe Dam. Now I'm gonna figure out where Morbe Dam is once I reach home and I check it on my on Google. But this place is beautiful. I'm so glad I'm capturing all this, you know. Just stunning. Wow. The trees and the bees. I just wanted to rhyme. There are no bees here. Now we are entering like a gate. It says something. It's in Marathi. I can't. Borgaon. I can only read Borgaon. Everything else is like wiped off with the weather. But look at these views, man. Look at these views. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. And I could do anything to just, you know, live here. I could give anything. But I don't know what would I do here. Like seriously, what would I do if I was living in a place like this? I could be a farmer. I love growing plants, grow crops. But whom do I sell it to? I'm sure all these guys grow their own stuff too. So I see a lot of bikers coming back as well. The lead has disappeared. There's a lot of gap around. There comes the lady on the Super Meteor. I love how she rides that bike with so much ease. Yeah, she's got such great control. It's a heavy bike and powerful bike at the same time, but she rides it like she's got full control. Definitely an experienced rider. Yeah. I swerved through somehow. Let's see, we're getting there. I think we're getting there. We are getting there. I can see mountains everywhere. And kaddas again. A lot of kaddas. Kaddas all the way, kaddas. As you get closer, the kaddas are getting bigger. I wouldn't say better kaddas. Oh, worse kaddas are kaddas. Off-roading. Let's see how we make this through. Smooth. I love this bike, man. Alpha, I love you. Alpha is a real knight, a warrior. I never thought I'd fall in love with this bike so much. I just bought it to, you know, start touring, start exploring. I think I made the right decision. I love the way this engine moves. Like, it's so smooth. It's so, I don't know. It's just so, it's comfortable, and I wouldn't say comfort is like 10 on 10. It's a 9 on 10 for comfort for long rides. But the engine feels so beautiful, man. Like, seriously, like even on times when, you know, you're stuck in jams and stuff, the bike does heat up, but it even cools itself down real fast. So Suzuki V-Strom is legendary, man. Not too many people really know the value of this bike. I did a lot of research before buying it, and trust me, I think it's totally a worth decision. I don't know what else. I had my eyes on the Himalayan. I've always had my eyes on the Himalayan. But then a few things made me swerve away from it, and one is the weight of the Himalayan. It's really heavy, so in traffic jams and things like that, which are always the case in Mumbai, I thought, oh my gosh, look at that dam, look at that, look at that, look at that. People, look at that. This is to die for. Not to die for, but to die for. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just look how beautiful the whole view is, man. Like, that's insane. I cannot miss this. He's Cassie, you don't know what you're missing, darling. Really. You don't know what you're missing. I don't know how I'm gonna even I don't know how to find all these views, but I will while I'm editing this video. And now you all know. Man, this is just beauty, absolute beauty. I can't wait to reach the spot. So for all those who don't have this opportunity to ride out, it's always been your dream. I'm making these videos only for you, so you can watch and at least enjoy the experience. I know actually riding and just watching a ride is way different, but even then, something better than nothing, right? These roads are amazing, these views are amazing, and you'd be missing even that if you didn't see this video. So go ahead and even share this video with people you love, people you hate. Just share a little of this beauty with everybody you can come across, because trust me, we always look for places really far away or different countries for the beauty, but our country itself is so beautiful. We've got such amazing things to explore, not very far, even like stone throw away. I know for me this has been a long ride because I left home at 3 o'clock, 3:30 approximately. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now we're like way up in the mountains and you can see the lake down there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm saying look at that, and I'll have to show you that. But yes, this is totally worth it. 3:30 is when I left. I haven't slept a wink, and but it's totally worth it, man. And I'm loving this off-road trail that we're doing now. It's a stony path, but yeah, man, this is fun. This feels good. Feels amazing. Feels accomplished. Like, I don't know how high up we're going in the mountains, but we seem to be going higher and higher. I'm falling in love with this place. Feels like I'm falling in love, maybe for the first time. The mountains, the hills, The hills are alive with the sound of music. One reason why I enjoy group rides is because they figure out these rides and they do a lot of research of places and things like that. I don't even have a clue how they do that, how they find these places. I don't know. But if I had to be solo, I'd be just going to places I know. So it's always nice to ride with a group as well. Although, there are times when I feel I can't do this because of my work. I work on the weekends, and these guys always ride on the weekends. I don't see weekday rides happening. Like, I'm really looking to even riding with the Bikers for Christ. I met them at the Sanjong, and it was nice meeting all of them. They're lovely people. But I don't see any rides happening yet. Hopefully soon. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pay and park, it says. This must be for cars. And today's Sunday. I think there's going to be a shitload of crowd there. Hey, we're going back down. Why? Came all the way up and now we're going back down? Maybe we're going to another hill? Roads get narrower, the views get better. Oh my gosh, look at that! We're so close to it. Woo! Beautiful. Oh, this is freaking amazing. Don't ever come down this route drunk. You fall down, it's over. Story ends. Like, this bike climbs on third and fourth gear so smoothly, man. I don't see any stress. Uh-oh, this is gonna be scary. This is gonna be scary. Let's just not slip and fall down. Otherwise, we're down and down and down. The rains, the roads have gotten a little slippery and mossy. But yeah, we've made for this, so pretty much we're doing what we're made to do. Yeah, that is the exact reason why we do this. Where did the superbikes go? They were part of us, I can't hear them anymore. Hey, this is slippery, this is slippery. Just felt my tires skid a little. Wow, 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 wow. Look up straight, look up straight. Oh my gosh. Like the mountains, like the hills. Are these mountains or hills? I'm not sure. Oh, this road is straight down, slam dunk. And you cannot brake too much over here because the roads are a little slippery and there's mud on them, so chances of slipping are high. But look at the views, guys. Look at the views. Like, this is what we were built for, to explore. Now we've reached a point. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Are we even going ahead? Do we go ahead? Look at that. Look at that. Is this the Twin Waterfall? Or are we going ahead? Beauty, isn't she? Absolutely stunning. I'm going up a little. Uh-oh, marsh, don't slip, please. Please don't slip, don't fall down. Can't afford to have a fall.
they go down the drain. Well, there's no one else to blame but me. For I die to be the cigarette that lies in your lips, to be the guitar that caresses your hip, to be
Oh,
the strings that
finally
sway
reached.
as you slide your fingers over.
And
And it's curious,
I'm
you
gonna
never
mount my
discover
camera.
the farther you have to
I'm
fall.
gonna show you the place
You
around.
see, I'd rather have my heart broken by you
I will
than
in a few
know
moments
it
from now.
broken at all.
Apparently, is the Twin Waterfall, and yeah, look around me. Isn't this place beautiful? Look at those hills covered with clouds. Absolutely beautiful,
Somehow
man.
I've made it through life
Someone's
with
already
my
climbing up
heart
there.
on my sleeve.
I'm not
Easy
taking a
to
risk.
deceive, blissfully
Call me
naive.
shy or whatever, but
But
yeah,
now my innocence
it's
is
like
lost, and I'm glad to pay
rather
the
not.
cost, because
Been
the
known to
dice
falling down.
were tossed
Prone to it as well.
by me.
Ah,
And
look at it there
I
as well.
died to be the cigarette that lies
Super
in your
pretty.
lips, to be the guitar that caresses
Let's
your
look down
hip,
and see
to
what's here.
be the strings that
Oh,
gasp
so the
as you
waterfall like
scrape your fingers over
comes
me.
up
And it's
comes down from there,
curious, the more you
and
desire, the
I
farther
think
you
there's more
have
up.
to fall.
Yes,
But
there's more
still
to see up
I'd
there.
rather have
Actually,
my
this is
heart
beautiful.
broken by you than never broken at
It's
all.
stunning views. Alpha's there, all in dirt. That's all right. Just gonna take a little walk. Definitely need a little walk. As long as I don't slip. I look like a mess, I'm sorry. I got wet in the rain. My hair looks. I look like a homeless person. Seriously, man, this place is beautiful. How did they even come up with it? How did anyone figure this out? Woo! Stunning place. Okay, I'm gonna save some. I don't even know if I have more battery left for anything else, but as of now, this is what I got. I had to show y'all. So I'm gonna end this video here, unless there is something more to show. Otherwise, it's gonna be the end. Thanks for watching, guys.